Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. As you probably remember, she's been in a few of my videos. This is my friend Evelyn, and today we are going to be making candy sushi. We're making candy sushi.
Yes.
Ma'am. I've known this recipe since I was like a brownie in Girl Scouts. It's so easy. You just have to get a few things, which I will show you, of course, and just assemble them, which I'll show you. And it's just that easy. I've seen different variations of this recipe. I'm going to do a simple one. I'm going to do like a salmon cream cheese. And cream cheese would be marshmallows, and Swedish fish would be the salmon. And you'll understand once you see the video. But yeah, make sure to like this video, subscribe to my channel. Without further ado, let's get into it. You will need fruit by the foot, Rice Krispie treats, Swedish fish, and mini marshmallows. First, roll out the Rice Krispie treats so it's flat.
Getting used to the rhythm, yeah, I know this beat too well. Tunnel vision's got me feeling like you're the only one.
Next, put down 1 Swedish fish and 2 marshmallows and roll the Rice Krispie treat around it.
I'm wondering why do all the monsters
Next, cut it in half.
why do we sleep when we want to hide?
Finally, roll the fruit roll-up around the outside so it looks like salmon on a sushi roll.
Why am I a sucker for all your lies? Strung out like laundry.
Finally, cut it in half.
Why do I come back to you like I don't mind?
Another treat you could make is candy sashimi. Cut the Rice Krispies into long rectangles and place a Swedish fish on top. Then wrap a small strip of fruit by the foot around it.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in my face. Tell me that you love me, even if it's fake. And you can leave me on and leave these questions in my sheets. I'm under it. I made my bed and I'm still.
Okay, now that we have made the product, we're going to taste it, of course. I've actually had this before, but like I said at the beginning of this video, but I don't really remember it. And I'm really excited to try this again. So, let's all...
What piece do you want?
What are your thoughts?
It's very sweet.
Yeah. I like how it's like fruity because of the Swedish fish and the fruit by the foot. And it's cute. And yeah. Oh, we have the sashimi. This one I don't like as much because it's just Rice Krispie and gummy. But this,
But it looks really cute.
yeah. This one's my favorite because there's more flavors. What about you? Which one's your favorite out of the two?
The Swedish fish.
No, out of the...
The Swedish fish.
Thank you guys so much for watching. As usual, please make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you, Evelyn, for coming over again.
No problem.
So, yeah. Please let me know if you've done this video, done this recipe, or if you want to, or any of that. Please make sure to also follow my social medias. And yeah, I had a great time. We all had a great time. And yeah, bye.
And I'm still wondering. I'm wondering why do all the monsters come out at night? Why do we sleep when we want to hide? Why do I run